Welcome to Delcy. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to smash the subscribe button and to press the bell icon in order to get every valuable video that we post. If you have done all, let us get started. The most valuable video of today. Hello guys, welcome to Delcy. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can get AdSense approval faster. So there is a lot of tips and tricks that I'm going to share with you right now. So these tips and tricks, if you follow all these tips, you will get AdSense approval faster. There's no doubt that you will get AdSense approval faster. So let us get started, and let me show you most of the tips and the tricks that you can get AdSense approval faster. So before I disclose the tips and the tricks, please, if this is your first time that you visited our site, make sure to smash the subscribe button and also to press the bell icon in order to get every valuable video that we post daily. So let's get started. So the first time I have prepared for you the tips and the tricks. So let me put this one there. So as you see, at the first time when you apply your website to AdSense, and they will send you low value content. So how can you solve this low value content, and how can you get the tips that we offer for our subscribers? So we know that most of our subscribers are from Nigeria, Somalia, and also Bangladesh, Pakistan, and from India also. So how can you get AdSense approval faster for this challenge? This is a challenge and it is complicated. A lot of people are suffering from it. So low value content, minimum content, make sure that you set all these things, you are sent all these things whenever you apply your website. So let me show you what I have done to get AdSense approval for my website. And the website that I got AdSense approval, a lot of websites, I have gotten a lot of websites for AdSense approval. So one of the websites that I have gotten AdSense approval with a free domain name .blogspot.com, I will put it under this and in the description, so you can check it from there. So before without delaying much time, let us get started. So minimum content, all these things you're sent. So scroll down. Right now, scroll down. Let me show you one thing. So our tips here, there is a lot of tips. So at the first time here, you see write 10 articles by using our technique. So there is a technique that we are going to show you. So this technique will come after this video. So after this video, we shall make a video about how to make an article which is fully approved by AdSense. So, and the next thing is this one. The answer of this one is minimum content is here. It is you should to make at least 10 articles. So our website was approved 8 articles and 9 articles, not 10 articles. So at least you can write 10 articles. It is enough to you. So, and the next thing is your articles must be a human readable and not to be AI generated articles. You know that a lot of people are writing their articles and through AI generate or they can use ChatGPT. So there's a way that you can use ChatGPT. So all these techniques we shall make another video. So right now you should to know all these tips. So your articles must be a human readable and not to be AI generated. That is the next tip. So the third tip is your article must reach above 500 words. Your articles must be above 500. So most of my articles right now, even me, most of my articles are above 300, above 400. There is no article which reaches 1000, 2000. So but it is less articles. But really, some people say to you, your article must be 1000 words. So really, that's not right. So we are not the staffs of AdSense, but we know, really we know that AdSense approves what AdSense approves. We know that. So, and the fourth tip is your website must have all important pages: about us page, contact us page, privacy policy page, you know. And the fifth tip is don't use any free themes. You know that a lot of people are using free themes. If you are using Blogger, I have a premium theme for you, and I will put it. It is free. There is no judge. I won't judge you. So you should to join our Telegram channel. It is under the description. So you can, under this video, you can get the description of this video, the link of this of our Telegram channel. Then you can join it. Then you can get the premium template from there. So don't use any free theme, right? Don't use any free theme. So check your content as page. It is working. If it is working, you should to check your contact as page. Yeah, this challenge I met a lot of times. So my first time I was applying AdSense many times, but AdSense was disapproving me low value content. I was sending low value content. So I said, oh, what is this problem? I watched a lot of videos and I didn't get the solution. At the last time I said, if I checked my contact us page, if it is working. So when I checked my contact us page, it wasn't working. So really I amended the problem. Then I checked my contact us page, it was working. So then I applied AdSense approved my site. So the most trick is this one, brothers. So you should to check your contact us page if it is working. If it is not working, the problem is coming from contact us page, right? So, and the last tip is to remove all broken links. You know how to remove all broken links from your site. I will share with you also this tip. I will share with you. So in the comment section you can write for me. You can write whatever you want. So, and I will share for you whatever you want. So right now, this video was requested by a lot of people from our Telegram channel and also our WhatsApp group. So, and no matter, we have made it a video. So as you see, all these tips will make you, brothers, will make you understand how to get AdSense approval faster. So guys, if this is your first time that you visited our site and also our channel, make sure to smash the subscribe button and to press the bell icon for appreciation. Please hit the like button to reach this video a lot of people. So to solve the problem of a lot of people, please hit the like button. So if you have any question, please in the comment section write whatever you want. So guys, I'm going to make this video very short. So if this is your first time you visited our channel, please once again make sure to smash the subscribe button and to press the bell icon and also to hit the like button to reach this video a lot of people. So until we meet like this video, bye bye.